I was just wondering your culinary skills, in the last few weeks. Just in 1 minute.
My what?
Are we going to see your culinary skills?
You've been cooking lately.
In the next,
No. Let me tell you.
1 minute.
Yes, look. You see, so many people dramatize. Yeah, I don't like when. What is in cooking? What is in cooking? I'm hungry. I should go and call the chef to prepare. You see, some of us were brought from the home when your mothers were cooking. You are made to stay in the kitchen. You make sure they prepare the pepper. You, the okra, you have to pound the okra. Some people may see it as waste of time. But for me, it's very interesting. What you should know, let me tell you, when my wife had our first child in the United States, the day she came back with my first son, I welcomed my wife with okra and okazi soup. Yes. I feel proud. I can cook, and I'm happy when I eat it. I feel satisfied. Not to go and eat what you don't know the magnitude of Maggi, what you don't know what this, and then because they want to make profit. You eat it. I wouldn't do that.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Just a fine place to have this conversation.
Thank you.
It's been very...